All right, y'all. Today we have had some pretty nice price action, and I want to talk about how I was able to take the short from up here and take the long from down here. I think this can help a lot of people who are looking to day trade or take scalp trades, because these are the types of things we want to look for when we are looking to take high probability trade setups. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be going over some juicy stuff. Now, it all begins with having key areas of support and resistance marked out on the chart. This morning, I made a video about how I was able to grab a short trade from right here. Long story short, we had a high volume node pretty much coming in right here, okay? And so not only did we have the high volume node there, but we also had the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement right there, as you can see. And, it all starts with having key levels marked out on the chart. When we came up to here, we saw our confirmations. We saw the money flow getting lower on these lower term time frames. We saw bearish divergences, okay? And so that allowed me to get into the short from up here. Now, we came down and we had a few targets below us. One of the targets was the weekly open. One of the targets was the daily. I'm still kind of hoping we come down to that daily, all right? Now, when you have these levels on your chart, you can know what to look for so that you can be prepared to take a trade. When we came down to the weekly open, we got ourselves a very nice pattern on the 12-minute time frame, which is this, the uneven butt cheek pattern. This is where we get price making a lower low to a key level, and market cipher B is giving us the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern, okay? Right here, uneven butt cheeks, guys. We have a left cheek nice and big and juicy, the right cheek not that big, not that juicy. This is one of the most high probability trade setups you will ever take in your life. I would say, and this is not financial advice, but if we ever do come down to a key level of support like this, okay, this is the weekly open right here, that and you see clear divergences, especially if you have snake eyes on market cipher B, that is a very, very high probability trade setup. Now, we come up and we come to a key area of resistance right here, right? This is a golden pocket Fibonacci retracement. It's the monthly level, and it's the VWAP. Now, this allowed me to compound my short trade and basically give myself a really nice entry, because I had already taken a lot of profits, as you can see, uh, at these lows. And so I was able to then take those profits, put them back into the trade, and then take profit again down here at this golden pocket. Now, when we came up to this area of resistance, I want to show you what we saw on the chart, because this will help you be able to identify areas where you can look for a trade. What did we see? On coinalyze.net, we saw that this bounce right here was primarily a short squeeze, because we could see that the open interest was decreasing big time as we came up into this area of resistance. And if we're ever getting a move and you see open interest is decreasing, that is telling us that there is absolutely no new money coming into the market to drive the price up. Instead, this is a short squeeze, and shorts are closing out and or taking profits. And that's why we're getting the move to the upside. And we know it's a weak move, and if we come into a key area of resistance, which we did have on the chart right here, we can expect a rejection. Now, that's exactly what we got. We got a rejection. Now, let's go back and understand the framework here and the context in which we're taking these trades. We came down to key support after a day of dropping in price with very clear bullish divergences on the 12-minute time frame, clear bullish divergences as well on the 24-minute time frame. We can see from here to here, we have bullish divergences as the price is making a lower low. Again, we have those beautiful butt cheeks, okay? When you have those beautiful butt cheeks, it can make for a very healthy potential reversal, right? Very healthy. We want to see all these confluences. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm sure he has some on his rear end as well, right? And so what happens is when you see that we have very bullish signs at a very key level, such as a weekly open, right? This is a weekly level. This is not something that was formed just today on the 1-minute time frame. This is something that we got on the weekly chart. This is telling us that there's a very strong possibility that we can get a significant move to the upside. Whenever we get a big bounce with bullish divergences on higher term time frames, what we want to do is we want to pull out our fib from the low to the high and take note of that Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, because if this is going to be a significant move to the upside, this is where we're going to get our retrace. Somewhere between the 618 and the 786 is the area we look for a retrace, right? And so if we come down there, this is where we want to enter our long. And what we want to see as we come down to that area is we want to see now bullish divergences on the lower time frames, like the 1 minute. So do you see what happened? We got confirmation of a major reversal here on the 12-minute time frame. We wrote it up to major resistance, which gave us a short opportunity. So we could short down to the first major support, and that's where we can actually enter into our long trade. So what a lot of people do is when they see prices pumping, right, after a big dump, they're hesitant to long. They're like, nah, heck no, I ain't longing. Heck no, I ain't longing. Heck no, I ain't longing. We finally break out of resistance. They're like, okay, I'm longing, right? Boom, what happens? They get liquidated, right? Okay, we cannot chase price. We have to be calculated, and we have to plan in advance what we are going to do. Now, if you want to learn this stuff, you could check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader by always having a game plan to stay one step ahead of the market so you know where you should be looking for those high probability trade setups. There's a 25% discount in the description of this video. Also, if you do want to join our technical analysis community where we post multiple live streams a week, myself and other professional traders giving the levels, giving the trade setups, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. We give the levels, we give the trade setups that we're looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, and we're starting to get into Forex markets as well. Patreon.com/Jason Casper. Now, because we got the bounce from down here, this is the place to enter the long trade, right? Not up here. We wait for the retest. And if the retest never comes, we simply just sit out. Or if we see that we're getting a bounce, we say, where's the next resistance and what bearish signs can we look for to determine where we can get into a short trade, okay? This is how we are going to be successful trading these markets, staying one step ahead, always understanding where the next areas of support are, where the next areas of resistance are, understanding what confirmations to look for, and then you can get into these good moves like this, guys. And you know, it's been a very good day trading Bitcoin. We haven't had too much volatility today, but nonetheless, it is a profitable day. So I hope you guys found this video informative. This is the kind of price action I love, you know, key levels being respected. I mean, look at this, to the dollar, to the dollar, to the dollar. And now, of course, we're finding local resistance back at the VWAP. It works so well, guys. And of course, again, starting out this morning with the Fibonacci high volume node confluence to the dollar, okay? Now, trading like this, I'm not going to lie, guys, it does take some time. It does take some experience. Absolutely, it does. And, you know, these are kinds of things that you have to be able to come up with these plans in the moment. Now, look at this. My short has officially been stopped out, okay? My short has officially been stopped out, and my long trade is still open, okay? And actually, because we just did get a chickens drinking water with a bearish divergence, we can even enter another short trade right here, because look at what has just happened here, okay? We see that we put in a high right here. Let's see. We put in a high right up here. Boop. Ooh, actually, we didn't take that high. We did not take the high on USD. But on USDT, you can see that we actually did wick into that high, right? You can see that we wicked into the high, and we did get some bearish divergences here on the lower time frames. Look at the 1 minute time frame, right? What is happening? We see getting lower like this, and we also see over time divergences getting lower. We see the 6 minute time frame as well. Well, actually not the 6 minute time frame, but we do see the 3 minute time frame giving us this bearish divergence as we come and we take out that high, right? So now we can get into another short trade from this area of resistance. We're just trading it from support to resistance. That's how it works, yo. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's see what happens here as we come up one more time to approach these highs. Make sure to like the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's see what happens here. We're going to come and see if we can get the chickens drinking water right here. on this this next little push to the upside here. We might not get that push. Let's check out what's happening on coinlines.net. Look at this guy's big decrease in open interest here, showing us a sign of weakness. This is the USD, but again, that is a sign of weakness. We've got the bearish divergences coming in here. Okay, right? See how these bearish divergences are forming over time as we come back up to the area of resistance. We are simply, guys, just trading from support to resistance, right? That is what we are doing, and that is how we're going to be profitable trading this way. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to follow up on that trade that I took. So you can see the bearish divergences did play out here. Lock it in for a quick profit like that. Then we move our stop loss to the entry to guarantee a win, right? And now this is a guaranteed winning trade, at least $100, potentially more here. And so this is how we are going to be scalping Bitcoin throughout the day, guys. So God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.